Hi guys, and welcome to the very first segment of Let's Talk Cars with CARSAAZ. So I've had a lot of customers asking me, Jamie, which budget audio system can I install into my car? Well, I've got the answer for you. Firstly, if you're looking for that kicking bass, this is your number one pick. Kenwood. This is suitable for any sedan from Corolla to Almera to Sunny. This is the solution for you. Secondly, for all the SUV drivers, we got this bad boy, the Vibe component system. This one is for all SUVs from Fords to Audis to BMWs. Make sure to install Vibe into your car. For the stylish and elegant drivers like myself, this is my top pick and my favorite, the Harman sound system. This was manufactured in Germany and this is for SUV and sedan. So make sure to choose this one. So now that you guys know what is my favorite budget component system, comment down below what is yours or anything that you need to know an answer to, and we'll make sure to help you. You thought the video was over? Well, no. Let us know down below what video we should do next, and comment down below if you want to know the prices.